Okay, ready for the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody is going to switch on the videos. Switch on your videos. Hurry up. Put today's date.
मैम किस में देना है?
रजिस्टर में दीजिए बेटा, और किस में देंगे?
पेज में देते क्या?
Why? What stupid question, Divyansh? You don't have a register?
मैम I have.
Then you're going to save it for the next year?
No, ma'am.
Then everybody turn on the videos. I said everyone hurry up. Put today's date. Jayanti, Pranjal, Yuvraj, Divya, Mahima. Turn on the video. Ankita, Radhika, who's this Redmi? The name is not there. Type your name. Akhilesh. Mahima. Mahima.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on the video.
Okay, ma'am.
So many times I have been telling you people, hurry up beta. सौम्य शर्मा, अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए फटाफट जल्दी. फैजल खान, सौम्य शर्मा, and whosoever will not turn on the videos, I'll just remove them. अखिलेश, बाल बाद में बनाना है ना, ध्यान दे टेस्ट पर. Come on, start. Should I begin? See, all this is MCQ. Got it? Listen to it very carefully and then you just write down the answers. The portrait of a lady is written by. The portrait of a lady is written by A. Rajarao, B. Khushwant Singh, C. Naipaul, and fourth one is Ruskin Bond. The portrait of a lady is written by, four options are there. Rajarao, you write down the name of the writer, okay? Khushwant Singh, Naipaul, and Ruskin Bond.
Repeat.
The portrait of a lady is written by Rajarao, Khushwant Singh, second option, third is Naipaul, and fourth is Ruskin Bond.
Ma'am, see, we have to write only answer now.
Only the answer. Second
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
the chief character in the portrait of a lady is Khushwant Singh's. The chief character in the portrait of a lady is Khushwant Singh's. First one, mother. Second one, father. Third one, brother. And fourth one, grandmother. I'll repeat the option. Mother first, second father, third brother, and fourth one, grandmother.
मैम एक बार प्लीज रिपीट कर दीजिए क्वेश्चन सेकंड
बेटा
वाला
ध्यान से सुनिए, इतनी बार रिपीट होगा, you won't be able to complete it, okay? The chief character in the portrait of a lady is Khushwant Singh's mother, father, brother, of last वाला option है grandmother. Written. Third question. In the village, the grandmother used to feed. In the village, the grandmother used to feed the first option sparrows, second option dogs, third option cows, or fourth option all the above. I'll repeat. In the village, the grandmother used to feed the first option sparrows, second dogs, third cows, and fourth all the above. हर्ष वीडियो टर्न ऑन नहीं है, स्विच ऑन करिए वीडियो को.
मैम ये दिव्यांश को बोलो कैमरा स्विच कर ले, आंसर दिख रहे हैं.
Written. Fourth question. How did the grandma spend her time in the city? How did the grandma spend her time in the city? First option, feeding sparrow. Second option, reading. Third option, gossiping. And fourth option, spinning the wheel. I'll repeat. How did the grandma spend her time in the city? First option, feeding sparrows. Second option, reading. Third option, gossiping. And fourth option, spinning the wheel. I'll repeat the options. Okay, only 3 times I'm going to repeat it. Feeding sparrows. Second is reading. Third is gossiping. And fourth one is spinning the wheel. Question number 5. While waking the author up in the village, grandma used to constantly mutter her prayers. Okay, she used to repeat her prayers, continuous muttering of the prayers were there, in the hope that he would imbibe some religious verses, which he, okay, so that his grandson might learn some religious verses, some religious prayers, which he, अब क्या उसने करे थे, whether he learned it or not. Options, never did, first option. Second is did. And third one, imbibed partially. First, he never did. Second, did.
Ma'am,
Third
please
one,
repeat the question.
imbibed partially. Grandmother, she used to utter the prayers, you know. Why? So that grandson, he might learn them. Did he learn it? Or he never learned it? Okay, 3 options are there. Never did, yeah, imbibed partially. Never did, or imbibed partially. Now the 6th one. In the sentence, that was the turning point in a relationship, which was the turning point? Okay, what was the turning point in the relationship? First one, they're moving to the village. Second one, they're moving to the city. Third one, they're moving abroad. Fourth one, his joining the university. I'll repeat. 4 options. The turning point. When did the turning point came? They're moving to the village. They're moving to the city. They're moving abroad, or his joining the university.
Ma'am, the question of
First, they're moving to the village. Second, they're moving to the city. Third, they're moving abroad. And the fourth one, he's joining the university.
question.
Now the 7th question. The grandma was against the teaching of music because she considered music to be. Grandmother, do you remember? She was against the music. When grandson, he came and declared that music lessons would be given, she did not like it. Okay. Why? What was the reason? Excellent for him. Excellent for him. Second one is personally. Okay, she did not have any liking for it. She herself did not have any liking for it. A third tha, a monopoly of harlots and beggars. Excellent for him. What did she consider? She considered music to be excellent for him. Personally, she did not like it. Or the third one, a monopoly of harlots and beggars. Done, beta? 8th one, how did the sparrows express their sorrow when the author's grandma died? How did the sparrows express their sorrow when the author's grandmother died? Okay. By chirping a lot. By chirping a lot. By eating the breadcrumbs. By eating the breadcrumbs. By not coming that day. By not coming that day. Or by taking notice of the by not taking notice of the breadcrumbs and flew away without eating them. I'll repeat. By chirping a lot. Got it? Are you listening, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
By eating the breadcrumbs, by not coming that day, or last option hai, by not taking notice of the breadcrumbs and flew away without eating them. Next one, 9th one. Which was the happiest half hour for the grandma in the city? Happiest half hour for the grandma in the city. First option, while spinning the wheel. Second one, while reciting the prayers. Third one, feeding the sparrows. And last one, taking the afternoon nap. First option, happiest half hour. While spinning the wheel, while reciting the prayers, feeding the sparrows, third option, and fourth one, taking the afternoon nap. Write it.
मैम एक बार ऑप्शन रिपीट करिए.
While spinning the wheel, while reciting the prayers, okay, feeding the sparrows, taking the afternoon nap. Written?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
10th one, the portrait of a lady has been written in. The portrait of a lady has been written in. Okay. Scientific mode, romantic mode, biographical mode, yeah, none of the above. The portrait of a lady has been written in. In which manner it is written? Scientific mode, first option. Second one, romantic mode. Third one, biographical mode. And the last one, none. I'll repeat the options. Scientific mode, romantic mode, biographical mode, and the last one is none. Done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll just speak 5 of the questions of next chapter. You write down the answers. No options for it, okay? Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many people started for sale from Plymouth, England? Write down the names. Hurry up. How many people started for sale from Plymouth, England? Instead of looking into the books, just write down the answers on your own. How many people started for sale from Plymouth, England? ये Redmi कौन है भाई? This one. Why don't you write down your name on it? Yes, the boy in the west. ये जो vest पहने हुए आप बैठे हो ना, I'm talking to you. Chirag, yes. Better put your name on it. Written. Next
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
what was the name of the boat? Hurry up. What was the name of the boat? Be fast. Next one, name the 2 crewmen. Name the 2 crewmen. Name the 2 crewmen. Mention the date on which the waves were gigantic. Mention the date on which the waves were gigantic. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
How many? 4 you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And write down the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
one. Name the island that was almost like a pinprick in the ocean. Name the island that was almost like a pinprick in the ocean.
Written, ma'am.
Written? Okay, now you just check the answers. I'm going to tell you the answers, okay? First one, the portrait of a lady is written by Khushwant Singh. Second option.
Yes, ma'am.
Very honestly. Okay, you just
Yes,
check it on your
Yes,
own.
ma'am.
The chief character in the portrait of a lady is Khushwant Singh's grandmother.
Yes.
In the village,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
grandmother
Yes.
used to feed the dogs. Do you remember
Oh,
while
yes.
returning? She used
Yes,
to
ma'am.
give stale chapatis
Stale
to the dogs.
chapatis.
Yes.
Yes.
How did the grandma spend her time in the city? Spinning the wheel.
Yes, ma'am.
Since morning till evening, she used to spin the wheel, okay? She only fed
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sparrows when she took half an hour rest during the daytime. Okay, while waking the author up in the village, grandma used to constantly mutter her prayers in the hope that he might learn something. But he never did. First option, never did.
Yes, ma'am.
कभी learn नहीं करे.
Yes.
Then sixth one, the turning point in the relationship. क्या था? They're moving
Moving
to the
Moving to the
Moving to the
city.
city. Good.
City.
Seventh one, grandma was against the teaching of music. क्यों? उनको क्या लगा? It was a monopoly of harlots and beggars. है ना? It had lewd association. It was related to lower category people, okay, who earned by
Yes.
singing and dancing. Then how did the sparrows express their sorrow? The last option, they did not take notice of the
Take
bread
Notice
crumbs
of the bread and flew.
and
flew
flew
away
without eating.
Which was the happiest half hour for the grandma in the city?
Feeding the sparrows.
Feeding the
Yes,
sparrows.
third one, feeding the sparrows. Good. The portrait of a lady has been written in biographical mode.
Yes, ma'am.
या romantic या scientific कौन सा होगा?
And biographical mood.
Biographical.
Biographical.
No beta, it is autobiographical mode.
None of the above.
Yes, none of the above. Biography तो जब होगी ना जब कोई और लिखेगा.
अपने खुद की लिखा है
Okay.
कोई और.
It was an autobiography of Khushwant Singh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we are not afraid to die. Okay, who will name?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, name it.
Ma'am, Gordon Cook, his
Gordon
wife
Cook.
Mary,
Okay, his
his
wife
wife
Mary.
his
Good.
6-year-old son Jonathan, and her
Jonathan.
7-year-old daughter Sue.
Yes, very good. Right. The name of the boat was?
Wave Walker. Wave Walker.
Okay, two crewmen were?
American Larry
American
Vigil
Larry
and
Vigil
Swiss
and
Sizzler.
Swiss Herb Sizzler. Even the spelling should be correct. Seigler. Okay, the date on which the
Yes, ma'am.
waves were gigantic?
2nd Jan.
2nd Jan. And finally, the name of the island?
Le Amsterdam.
Ile Amsterdam. Okay, ILEAMSTERDAM. Right? Ravina,
ma'am.
who's peeping?
Yes.
Ravina Chaudhary, who's peeping? Okay, then mark yourself and see how many marks you have got. I know many of you will be lying. Mark yourself. Show me the registers. The
Ma'am, I
registers
got
must
30.
be on the screen. Registers to be on the screen. Everybody's registers to be on the screen. Registers to be on the screen, everybody. Yashraj? Monica? Okay, how many marks? Nakul, how many marks you got?
Ma'am, 13.
Soumya, how many marks?
Yes, ma'am.
How many marks you got?
Ma'am, 11.
Chirag? Okay. Ravina? I can see the
Ma'am,
marks.
9.
Mahima?
12.
Mahima?
13.
13. Okay. Faisal Khan? Faisal Khan?
10.
Faisal, how many marks?
10.
10. Okay. Gunjan Sharma, how many marks?
11.
Okay. Who got 14 out of 15? Anybody got 15 out of 15?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Rakshit, how many marks?
Ma'am, 12.
12 marks. Okay. So now you look at the mistakes that you committed. Try to, okay, improve it. Try to correct it. Okay. Now, better
Ma'am, I
revise
got
the
10.
chapter. Who got 10 marks? Divyansh, how many marks you got?
Ma'am, 10.
10. Okay. See,
Ma'am,
better
Sahil
revise
didn't
the
get 12.
chapters. What happened?
Ma'am, 12.
12. Okay. See, better revise the
Ma'am,
chapters
12.
very carefully as you are going to get MCQs. I am going to prepare MCQs or one-word answers for the
Yes.
quarterlies. Clear or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes.
तो इसी तरह के
Yes, ma'am.
टेस्ट we are going to take every now and then, and it will be a kind of a revision, a very good revision. Okay. It would be a detailed revision as you need to revise the chapter thoroughly. समझ में आया? ठीक है
Yes,
बेटा?
ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
take care. Take care, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
All got